Hello friends, as you all know that on 4th March we have a commerce paper. So before you wind up the syllabus or before you end your revision, I just would like you to go through these important concepts which are definitely going to be asked in this coming attempt. Okay, so under unit 1, that is business environment and international business, ensure that you do revise the business environment, that is our political environment, the legal environment, we have the economic environment, the social environment, technological environment, and the ecological environment. Then you should also go for Consumer Protection Act, corporate social responsibility, globalization, the different theories of international trade, and we may get a question on India's foreign trade policy if there are any changes in this budget or maybe during the COVID. Then we have FDI, that is foreign direct investment, balance of payments. Then you may also get a question on SAARC or NAFTA, which are the trading blocks. And definite, you get questions on IMF, World Bank, and again, the different agreements of WTO. Okay, so ensure that you are giving them a last minute reading. Under Unit 2, Accounting and Auditing, as you all know, this is a practical subject. So we may get question on the principles, concepts, then on partnership accounts, admission, retirement, and death. We also get questions on issue, forfeiture, and reissue of shares. Further, we need to study marginal costing. Even simple formulas can be asked, the calculation, break-even analysis. And recently, we are getting questions on ABC, activity-based costing, then Kaizen costing, target, life cycle, JIT, that is just in time. Then we have financial statement analysis, ratio analysis, and definitely HRA account. Okay, so what I mean to say is that there are so many subtopics, but ensure that you are just going through them during your last minute revision. Auditing is a very beautiful topic, and if you love theory, then definitely focus on auditing because we are getting questions on it, the recent trends in audit. Coming to unit number 3, business economics, a very scoring subject. It is a factual subject. If you know the answer, then only you can mark it. So we may get question related to demand analysis, indifference curve analysis. We have law of variable proportions. Then definitely we get questions on perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, price leadership model, monopoly, price discrimination. And pricing strategies are also covered under marketing. Then moving on to unit number 4, business finance. You can focus on the source of finance, time value of money, capital structure. We have the dividend decision theories and policies. Then we have foreign exchange market, international financial market and instruments, international arbitrage. This is a vast subject, but if you know, this is something you're beyond the practical aspect also. So those who hate accounts or maybe the practical aspects can focus on business finance. Then unit 5, this is also covered under research aptitude. Okay, so we may get questions related to skewness, probability, what is correlation and regression. Okay, then definitely the research concept, research design, which is also again a part of paper 1 research aptitude syllabus. Data collection, the most easiest topic, what is primary data, secondary data, non-probability and probability methods, hypothesis testing, parametric, non-parametric, and then finally on report, right? Moving on to unit number 6, we have business management, but definitely you get questions related to Henry Fayol, okay, the principles of management. Then we can expect question on span of control, motivation, leadership theories, concepts, very, very important. We are getting questions on ethics also. Then the various functions of HR, such as recruitment, selection, training, on the job, off the job. Okay. Then we have questions related to job evaluation. Under personality, you may get questions on power and politics, perception, attitudes, and organizational culture. If you have ever studied organization development, then it could be also part of the question. Then unit 7, we have banking and financial institutions. Now we all know there are some changes respect to digital banking. So definitely focus on that. Okay. Here we may get question on types of banks, RBI. Then we have financial markets, which is divided into organized and unorganized, money market, capital market. Okay. We may get question on mutual funds, e-wallets, which is very much part of the, you can say, daily life also. We have financial reforms, digitization, the internet banking, which includes so many things. We have cyber frauds as well. Okay, then different types of insurance. Moving on to unit number 8, marketing management. We all know the syllabus is very much a part of 4Ps, is a huge concept. So anything related to product, we have product life cycle, which is very important. The pricing decisions, promotion decisions, distribution. Definitely we get questions on consumer behavior, the factors which affect, or the segmentation. A question may come on rural marketing, online marketing, logistics management. Unit 9, we have legal aspects of business. This is again a very theoretical concept. Okay, so if you have ever studied this in depthly, otherwise, even if you go through it, it is very easy because we all have studied at the undergraduate level. We have special contracts. Okay, sale of goods act, you need to do that. Negotiable instruments act, companies act, then the competition act. Definitely you are getting questions. In fact, we may get 2 questions on it. RTI, that is right to information technology act, which includes everything related to cyber crimes, intellectual property rights, patents, trademark, copyrights. Okay, and GST. Then moving on to the last unit, we have unit 10, income tax and corporate planning. Income tax, we have the basic concepts, residential status, exempted incomes. Then under international taxation, we need to study double taxation. Okay, what are the recent changes? You can check that. Clubbing of income. Then we have corporate tax planning. What is tax avoidance, tax evasion? This has been asked since years. What is corporate tax planning? Okay, then shutdown or continue operations. Deduction and collection of tax at source, advance payment, e-filing. Okay, simple question of the process of e-filing is also a part of the question. So just remember, students, this is just the last minute, okay, where you need to keep yourself calm, keep yourself motivated, and don't do any revise or start studying any new topic. Just stick to what you have studied. Okay, reach the center on time. Ensure that you are carrying your admit card and your identity proof. Keep yourself very much calm. Okay, don't worry, don't stress, don't worry about the result. You just need to reach on time. Ensure that you are focusing on the paper, irrespective of whatever the situation is around you. Read the question properly. Okay, understand what the question is asking. Read the question again if you want, because sometimes the question says they have asked about which is not, or which is, sometimes we misread the question, then we end up losing our marks. Okay, you follow the time management. Make sure that for paper 1, you are using only 60 minutes. Quickly come to the paper 2 as soon as 1 hour is completed. Okay, again, you can go back to your paper 1, but decide, this is your lifetime decision. Okay, this is the start of a new teaching career also. And even if you are very much worried about the results presently, just keep yourself calm and make sure you give your best. Rest everything you can leave to your destiny and God. So I wish you all the best and God bless you all. Do revise and keep yourself motivated, and we'll see you in the next video. All the best.